Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 1, Managing Risk in Floriculture Landscape. Floriculture or flower farming is one of the disciplines of horticulture, focused on the planting of flower and ornamental trees for garden or orchid, and for flower enterprise, including the flower industry. Development through the breeding of new varieties of plants is a major occupation for floriculturists. Landscape service. Landscape, an area or piece of land that can be transformed or modified into a natural landscape which pleasing aesthetic environments. Provide landscape service. Provide landscaping service in the design and introduction of plants to improve the appearance of an existing area or land. Job scope. Design and maintain garden, park and other outdoor and indoor area. Landscape material category. 1. Ornamental. 2. Shrub. 3. Bush. 4. Tree. 5. Cover crops. Landscape care entail the care of plant, the production of plant, and the meticulous care of every plant type that is involved in this landscape from various damage. As a matter of fact, risk management is required in this floriculture to ensure that the landscape is not negatively impacted.
For the risk identification, there are 6 types of risk that we need to face during our project. Number 1 is a human resource. Number 2, plant disease and pest. Number 3, limited location. Number 4, human skill deficiency. Number 5, the export. And the last one about the cost. The risk in floriculture we have formed in fishbowl diagram. The risk number 1 is a human resources. The problem is we need to face because of the lack of employee in terms of qualification. The risk number 2 is a plant disease and pest, where we need to figure out every selected flower about the plant disease and pest infection so that we can avoid the damages of the flower and excessive of losses. And number 3 is a limited location. The problem is a lack of locality where we need to find a suitable places for our project. Number 4 is about the human skill deficiency. The problem is a lack of production, management and skill. And number 5 is about the export. The problem is we need to require a good market value for each type of the flower. And the last one, the risk is about the cost. So we need to require machinery and a lot of raw material.
Okay, now let's move to the risk of likelihood and consequence for managing the risk of landscape in floriculture. Likelihood is something that may happen due to something or risk that has been identified throughout the work done, while the consequence is the adverse effect that occur from something that bear in terms of the risk identified and can result its worst effect if continued. Based on the risk label which is in the risk identification, 1A is human resource. For the likelihood is in grade 3 or moderate, meanwhile for the consequence in grade 3, medium or in critical, which is the detailed selection of work in sector assigned to the position. Okay, the next level is 2A, which is plant disease and pest also get infection of landscaping. Okay, for the likelihood and consequence, it also in grade 4. It will happen when the disease is highly contagious and require meticulous care. Okay, then the third risk is 3A for the limited location. Both grade in likelihood and consequence are in grade 3, which is sometimes critical due to search the location. The location must be strategic and suitable for landscape. Okay, the label for A is human skill deficiency, which is for the likelihood is in grade 4 and consequence in grade 3. It reminds the skill of work to contribute ideas and in production management. For the label 5A in risk identification is export, which is the likelihood is in grade 4 and the consequences in grade 3. The selection types of flowers for landscape important to require a good market and suitable types of flowers in landscape. Okay, the lastly risk identification is about the cost. Okay, for both grade is in grade 4. Okay, the important to any production management to control the in and out of costs like high maintenance of machinery and raw materials.
Forest rating that has a high impact is cost and plant disease and pests because it has to spend a lot of cost for maintenance, and for plant disease and pests, it is necessary to know that every pest that attack the tree will cause a lot of losses if not controlled. Next is human skill deficiency requires experienced people and expert in the field of landscape. And for export, we have to find a suitable price and market according to the specification that has been agreed by all parties involved for each type of plants. After that is limited location, which is quite difficult to get areas that are strategic and suitable for the type of crop. Lastly is human resources. Need skilled workers according to qualifications. Overall, why do a risk rating is to state which risk is most affected and how to overcome it. So as a conclusion, 2A and 6A is the highest risk.
Ideas and solutions we found, which are new technologies, crop insurance, and diversification of business. Number 1 is insurance. Agricultural insurance is a type of crop insurance which can help to protect losses while providing regular gains. There is high probability revenue increasing, and more marketing freedom and consistent cash flow are two advantages. Number 2 is trying out new technologies. To increase resistance, modified seeds and precision blooming are used. Lower input costs, cost effectiveness, and increase agricultural productivity yields of adopting new technologies. Precision blooming increases the rate of crops such as seeds and fertilizer. Diversification of business. To reduce income fluctuation, deferred income streams such as agro-tourism and off-farm jobs which might be used later on. Only when low-income entrepreneurs are compensated by a high-level business.
Several alternatives are risk management or risk appetite, acceptance, mitigation, and resolution. For appetite, risk to the level of risk by non-intensive in high-risk activity. For example, fertilizer hazard might be affect the health problems like respiratory problems, disorder, and other. So the solution is to provide further measures to overcome the problem, eliminate the potential danger, and acceptance commonly found in the business or investment field. For example, blockchain or technology. The solution is improve the knowledge and ability of the customer of this problem. Consider thoughts and accept statistics that may occur as a result of that exposure that is predicted for customer. And the mitigation is reduce the risk exposure and minimize the likelihood of an incident. For example, human skill who select management, the popular disaster field and others. To identify the rate of floriculture, understand the costs influence the floriculture productivity, and provide the solution of things that can be done to minimize the impact and likelihood reduction. Consider to include loss prevention and loss control efforts. For example, diversification of business. The probability of chance of loss can be measured in different ways. So the solution is measure attack of production or increase of the balance or standard basket of the production distribution.
Justify the solution making. Risk frequency. Based on the risk rating, the most likely risks are 4A, 5A, and 6A, which are at the moderate level. Only one risk is at the major level, which is 2A. This type of risk is under the category of production in risk management in floriculture. Idea. Insurance. The ability of this insurance can support if a loss occurs, such as 2A, which is the risk of loss problem due to insect and disease. New technology. This idea can reduce the use of human skill, as noted in 4A, diversification of business. The ability of external income, such as the sale of seedling, floriculture management service. As the alternative, we use avoidance, mitigation, acceptance, reduction. We can conclude that, based on the risk assessment, it is clear that the idea presented can reduce risk in the presence of such alternative. Continuous monitoring and review of risk in this landscaping activity or process will ensure that accuracy of the assumption plan and the effectiveness of the measure implemented to address this risk. Value of decision. Technology training. Advantage in reducing risk in floriculture with the use of technology. Ensure landscape service in the policy cover potential costs like plant total loss because of pest and disease. Outsource. The buyer accept risks such as flooded landscape area or plant exposed to disease and insect infection. Sekian, terima kasih.